Hello guys, so today I want to teach us how to put two-step verification on your WhatsApp. I don't know why you people will register WhatsApp and leave it open, and it will be prone to hackers. Like, they will now hack your phone number, hack your WhatsApp, and be messaging your friends and family members. That's too risky. Why don't you add two-step verification, or be two-step authentication, any of them, to your WhatsApp and even Facebook and all your social media handles? But today I want to teach us how to add two-step authentication to your WhatsApp. It's very easy. I don't know why you people are just shying away from that. Something that is even easy to do and will keep your account safe, secured, and clean. All right, when you go to your WhatsApp settings, I hope we have teach us how to locate WhatsApp settings on WhatsApp. So go to your WhatsApp settings, click on this account. When you click on it, it will open. You will see all those security measures. You see two-step verification. Then click on it. You will see something like turn off. You are seeing this turn off because it's already on my own. You also see change pin. All these things you are seeing is because I have already turned my own on. You see it here. So this add a recovery email is what WhatsApp newly added. The recovery email is in my other WhatsApp. In this WhatsApp, I have not added it yet. This email will help you to also recover your WhatsApp easily. Like, even when hackers try to hack your phone, your WhatsApp, even while on two-step verification, WhatsApp will send you an email that something is about to happen to your account. Hope you are aware of that. So that's the reason for this recovery email. This recovery email you are seeing. This change pin is because I've added my, and this turn off is because I've already added all those things. So just click on, when your own open, you will see that all these things won't be there. So you click on add pin, turn on, and everything will be added. And you also add this recovery email. Is very important too. Remember to add it. Once you add it, you say successful, and your account will be safe and secured. Try to do it now that you are seeing this video. Please do it now and secure your account. Thank you for watching, and please do well to subscribe, do well to share and comment so that others will also learn. Thank you all. Thank you very much.